Hi, my name's Lori Richardson. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that you'll be able to see more videos like this one. I've got some tips I can share with you about some content creation that might be helpful. In affiliate marketing, you're going to be doing promotions. You can be doing them on all kinds of different platforms. You could be doing short form video on TikTok, which is a super power platform to use for free organic traffic. You can pay for ads, but you can reach so many people without ads. So especially when you're first starting, that's really a good thing to be honing in on, is not spending money right and left. Get used to making content and focusing on your target audience, or that's sometimes called avatar in the industry, is the ideal customer for your product. You want your content to be speaking directly to your avatar. And in short form, very specifically, like on TikTok, people have very short attention span. So you need to be able to grab their attention right away. And you can grab your attention right away by doing a formula that's called hook, story, offer. The hook is the very first couple of seconds of a video. You want to be able to say something that's going to just grab them, or have a headline up over your head or somewhere on the screen that's got some very emotional, evoke content in it that they're going to go, oh, wait, what is she saying? You want them to stop scrolling and listen to you. And that is really powerful to get them to stop, because we are just trained as a content consumer to just keep scrolling. And if it doesn't grab you it right away, you're gone, too late. But you can get yourself in front of so many people with just a really compelling hook for your story. It doesn't have to be just what you're saying, but getting a visual hook as well. You know, an example, one of the ones I did today, my visual hook was, they lied to you. And I say something about, did someone tell you that you have to promote the course you went through? That was my hook. And it's absolutely not true. It's definitely a false statement. That was an example of a visual hook that they're like, oh, wait, who lied about what? And it also evokes an emotion. People buy emotionally. When you are hitting someone's emotions with what you're saying, it makes them think more connected to the content and more connected to what you are promoting. So you want to be having a visual hook, you want an audio evoke an emotion, and you want it to be speaking to your target audience. If I were to start talking about something that is related to people in their 20s, I'm 60. So I don't want to be saying, are you just starting college, or some hook with that in it, because that's not my target audience. So it needs to be related to that target audience, that avatar. So you've got a hook, and then you need to tell them a bit of a story. The story could be how it can make them feel. Again, having emotions evolved. As an example, if I go on and I am promoting in the pet niche, and the product I'm promoting is a anti-barking collar for a dog, and I go on and I say something about, are your neighbors afraid to come to your door? Could be a hook, something like that. And then talk about how my dog barks every time someone comes to the door, and it is driving me nuts. And how I heard about this collar. I thought, that's interesting. And I did some research and I loved it. So I went ahead and bought it. And I tell you, the feeling I have now is so quiet and calm. And my neighbors think I'm friendly again, because I don't have a dog that sounds like it's going to attack them. So I'm telling a bit of a story. And can you imagine how your house would feel, how much your neighbors would appreciate that, and how calm that could make you if your dog wasn't barking? So trying to get them to envision something, and or to give them a visual for them to think about of what that product could do for them. So basically bringing it back, telling a little bit about a story with me, how it helped me, and trying to get them to see how it can help them as well. So your next thing is a good, strong, clear call to action, which could be drop a comment, questions you might have, especially on TikTok. The algorithm pushes it out depending on how much interaction you have. You definitely want to get the interaction, and you can direct people for that interaction. Check the link in my bio for more information about it. Check the link in my bio to join my Facebook group. Training for this is in the link in my bio. Also, watch time is probably the biggest factor on TikTok and on Instagram Reels and on Facebook. Watch time is the best way to get your videos pushed out to as many people as possible onto people's For You page. What I mean by watch time is from the time that they stop to watch a video, you want them to watch it all the way to the end. So to make that happen, the best practices are to edit out all of your ums and ahs on TikTok. You want to take out as many pauses as you can and have a lot of little short clips so that you get as much as you can, as much content as you can in a short video. So the way to edit that out on TikTok, if you're not aware, is rather than picking up your phone and starting at the beginning and just pressing record and then do your whole thing and then end it, that's all in one clip. Do a lot of really short clips, just a sentence or two, and then stop it, and then start it again, sentence or two, stop it. And then you can trim those clips to get rid of all the dead space and just have it go clip, 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 clip with no dead space between it. You can get the ums and ahs out that way. You want to move around a lot also because the motion keeps your eyes in place. You also want to come across like you know what you're talking about. Be confident. Don't be like, oh my gosh. And you want to exude confidence. But if someone were to ask you a question, either on a live like this or in comments, if you don't know the answer, let them know you'll find out and get back to them. That's the easiest, honest thing, and people appreciate honesty. Also, turn your captions on. That's a big one because a lot of people think it's for hearing impaired viewers, but that's not the only thing. How many of you lay in bed at night and your partner might be sleeping and you're scrolling through because you can't sleep? There's a lot of people that watch with the sound off. So turn the captions on. Big, big, big difference in what your potential view counts could be. Right at the very beginning, a lot of people will wait and go, did you know? And it's like that pause. If people are scrolling and there's a pause, they're not going to wait for you to speak. You need to be speaking right off the bat. Get right to speaking about what you want them to hear. And act like you're speaking to one person. If you are speaking like you're talking to a room full of people, when you're on a short form video, way less effective than talking to one viewer. Talk to your best friend and talk as relaxed as you would be with your best friend. Make eye contact with the camera. I'm terrible especially on my lives that I do for my computer because my camera is up here and my eyes are drawn to the picture of me rather than looking at the camera. Because when I'm looking at the camera, it could be a lot more heartfelt. You can really kind of get that I'm really trying to emote how powerful the message is versus looking here. So those are some ideas. I hope that is helpful for you. Again, my name's Lori Richardson. Welcome to my channel. And if you like that video and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button.